Hey guys, welcome back. This video is so special for me because I've received something from YouTube. I've started this channel almost 5 years, more than 5 years ago, and today I've received something from YouTube for the first time ever. It's 3rd June 2025. I'm super excited. YouTube is so special. Anything from YouTube or Meta feels so special for me. I've received goodies from Meta. Even if they give a small paper clip, it holds that value and it holds that space. It's not mine, it's ours. So, सफर का फल मीठा होता है, but mine is huge. Wow. Let me just take a moment. Oh my God, this feels surreal. Okay, let me just give you YouTuber's reaction. You're not going to believe this. Yay! I can't believe this. I've received something from YouTube, guys. This, yeah. Wait, wait. Okay, this feels too much. See, it's huge. And of course, this is because of you guys. Thank you so much. Let's start the operation. Bro. Here comes the fun. Why is this scissors are so limited edition? Fun. Sorry. Oh my god. Here's the letter. Congratulations, your energy, enthusiasm, and participation truly made you stand out, and we couldn't be happier to celebrate your success with a small token of gratitude. Thank you for being an amazing part of YouTube India creator community. Keep creating. Warm regards, community partner managers, YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. Let me see what's inside. We got another mic. How can you be so sweet, YouTube? It comes with warranty card, manuals. Here's the mic. Next, we have a bag with a YouTube logo. Even I used to feel so happy for creators who used to receive packages from YouTube, and now look at me. You must think that I'm overreacting, but no, guys. Even a small paperclip will feel special when it's from YouTube or Meta. You don't feel it until you get it. So, yeah. Next, we have must be some light, sort of light. It comes with this adapter. Let me just show you guys. Why is the color? Okay. Yeah, these are the things that I've received from YouTube. I didn't prepare any TED talk. I only have one thing to say. Thank you so much who have genuinely supported me and who genuinely like my content, shared and supported me in every way. Uh, Thank you so much. I'll plan my content. I'll make sure that I deliver a quality and meaningful content from now on. Let's grow together. Most of you guys see me how I've started this YouTube channel. I had nothing, no fancy equipments, nothing. I started from zero. We are here now. There are days where I don't feel like creating content or showing up on social media. I felt like deleting all my social media accounts and disappear from here. It was tough being an introvert, but your sweet comments and your support kept me going. So that comes to an end. That's it for this video. I know this might feel normal for some people, but it's really special for me to get that recognition, and this small token of gratitude feels so huge for me. So that's it for today. See you guys in the next amazing video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.